What's up, sexy?
Wake up, man.
Welcome to... I don't know. Hey, wake up. You're dead, dude. Like, really?
Man, fuck. I gotta do this shit.
Wait for this. Hey, get the fuck up, man.
Now you gotta fix the bed.
Hey, mine.
What are you leaving me sleeping, douchebag?
It could have been worse. He could have farted on you.
That was the whole deal at first. Alright, you can stop it.